A personal fortune of 10,000 Swiss francs is all you need to have your wealth invested professionally at Alpian. With me to speak about what service you can expect for that amount is Schuyler Weiss, the CEO of the Swiss Digital Bank. Hello, Schuyler.
Hello, thank you for having me.
Schuyler, you launched last year in October. How's business been?
Business has been great. We are growing every day. Every day is a new exciting adventure, and now we are managing in the tens of millions of assets, and we continue to grow quite dramatically. By the end of the year, we expect to be in the 100 million range. So.
Okay, by the end of the year. How has the collapse of Credit Suisse influenced that drive or inflows?
Yeah, it was interesting. I think overall it's very bad for Swiss banking because Credit Suisse was such a storied institution. But we saw that when that was happening, massive inflows were coming into Alpian. So you see, we were not relying on that. We want to grow our business regardless of what happens with other players. But as a short-term kind of increase, we saw quite an increase from that.
And who are those clients? How old are they? Where do they live? And which segment do they belong to?
Yeah, again, I don't think there's a single client that belongs at Alpian. We have people of all different age groups from all different regions in Switzerland. But I'd say if you have to find the kind of hotspots, Zurich, Geneva, Lausanne, there's big concentrations of clients in these areas. And in terms of age, we have people in their 90s, people in their 20s. But I think most of our clients are around the late 30s to mid 40s range. So, and these are people that really like, what we have to offer, simple, digital, really transparent services that they can just interact with on a day-to-day basis to grow their wealth.
And which segment do they belong to?
So this is primarily the affluent segment, right? We have people who are among the richest people in Switzerland as clients, and we have people who are just starting their journey to grow their wealth. But, where most of our clients come from is the affluent segment. These are people with around 100,000 of net worth to into the low millions of net worth. And, they really love the service because they get a premium banking service from a Swiss bank, a licensed Swiss bank, that's there to help them grow their wealth, right? Professional management of their wealth in a way that they don't get anywhere else. So,
now a lot of the people you described there in that segment took to trading on their own accounts on self-trading platforms during the pandemic.
Sure.
What do you think about this development?
Yeah, I think, my personal view is that everybody has the right to choose their own way that they want to handle their wealth. But the reality is that, the majority of people, the figure I have is 75% of people who do it themselves lose money, right? And so I can't support something where most people lose, right? I think the ethos of Alpian is to help our clients make money and generate wealth. And so, and to do it in a professional way, right? Where you have a professional private banking team with experienced private bankers to help you generate wealth and take good decisions with your wealth. This is what we focus on, not volume and trading and losing money.
So you were actually spun out of Rail, Banque Rail. What's your relationship to the group today?
So Banque Rail is a significant minority shareholder in Alpian. I think in the beginning of Alpian, when you create a Swiss bank, it is not an easy journey. And to have a storied institution like Rail provide that foundation and what it is to be a private bank in Switzerland, they did a great job in incubating Alpian. But now Alpian is an independent Swiss bank. It has its own independent license from FINMA. And so while they are still significant minority shareholders, we have to govern ourselves as an independent bank.
Can you tell me about your business model and tell me where you see yourselves in a few years' time? When are you going to be profitable?
Yeah, it's something we're very proud of. Our business model is built around kind of mutual growth with our clients. So as our clients succeed, right, then we succeed. And the primary way that we generate returns is from the management of investments. So we provide a professional investment management service that you will find at other private banks. And for that, there is a very fair fee on that. And that's our primary way of generating returns, our business model. There are other ways that we generate returns. We're very transparent about that, all on our website, very clear to see. But it's primarily wealth management that's our business model is built around. In terms of the future, we see that we will break even in the next couple of years. I think this is depending on how quickly we scale, how quickly we launch new services and products, but we're well on our way to profitability. So.
Okay, well on your way. Well, good luck, and thank you for coming in today to speak to us.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you to you for watching FinNews.